Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In this one we're taking a look at a pretty damn interesting router system from ASUS. This is called the Lyra Trio AC750 Mesh Wi-Fi system, corner-to-corner Wi-Fi. This specific package features 3 Lyra Trio hubs, of course as you would have guessed by the 3 ones here, and of course the Trio in the naming, and they're supposed to cover up to 5,400 square feet in your home. So in this video I figured we will take a look at its packaging and unbox it, and then of course also show you guys some of its features and specifications. So without any further ado, let's get these out of its box. And there they are, neatly packed. So these are pretty damn small routers actually, and what they do is they all connect to each other to form a unified network basically between 3 different points in your house. So what this does is it basically, as you guys could have guessed, it increases the coverage and the signal strength in your home anywhere you are basically. So on the back here it features your power DC in port, your LAN/WAN port for connecting a PC or something like that to the network, and of course the Ethernet port where your internet comes into. All in all, it features a very modern and contemporary design. It's small, so it will definitely be able to be placed in tight spaces like wardrobes and stuff like that if you don't want it to be seen. But then it also features a pretty nice design so that if you have to have it out in the open, it doesn't matter because it looks quite good. On the bottom here we have 3 rubber feet so that it stays in place and doesn't rattle around. And also we have some holes for ventilation here. And also if you would like to, you have a mounting system here so that you can mount them on your wall. Down here we have a reset button and a pair button too. So of course we get 3 of these, so let's pull those out and check what else we have in the box. Alright, so I'm just gonna pull this up, there we go. So of course here we have 3 power bricks and cables for each of the 3 Lyra hubs. We have our manual, which for some reason looks to be in a language that I do not understand. And we have, what's this? Our manual in many different languages. Great. In here we have just 1 Ethernet cable, which is kind of sad. I wish that they would have provided one for each of them at least, but okay. Maybe they're supposed to go here because there was nothing here, so maybe when you purchase this for yourself, you get 3 of them here, because this is a review unit and it might have been an early unit, and so that's why I got only 1 Ethernet cable and these things in a different language, but no problem. So now let's talk about how these work, how they would work for you, and their features and specifications. So the main thing about these is it will of course increase your range throughout your entire house, but also it will strengthen the Wi-Fi signal because you have these 3 hubs that all provide a nice and even field along your house, instead of just having 1 router, for example, in this corner of your home. And then of course if you were to be in this corner of the home, the signal would not be so strong. Whereas with these ASUS Lyra Trios, you could have 1 hub there and maybe 1 hub in the middle and then 1 in the end, or something like that. This will of course provide the best signal wherever you may be in your house. Of course, this also works great for multi-story homes, so you could stack these on top of each other to get a much better signal up top. So ASUS describes these as a dual-band tri-hub mesh Wi-Fi system with a unique antenna placement which supposedly should deliver strong Wi-Fi to every corner of your home. They feature 3x3 MIMO technology instead of 2x2 and seamless roaming, which delivers superior Wi-Fi speed and automatically connects you to the best signal anywhere in your home. So for example, if you were to be in the middle of your home, it would automatically connect to this hub, and then if you were to move here, let's say this is your living room, it would automatically connect to this hub without actually changing which network you are connected to. This means you only have to have 1 Wi-Fi system in your phone or laptop and just 1 password, and then these will automatically talk to each other and tell which device should be connected to which hub. Another cool thing here is when you set these up, you won't have to have a PC with you because they now have this new ASUS Lyra application on your phone, which enables PC-free setup and network management and diagnostics and notifies you about any problems on your phone. Now these have their antennas here, so one here, and one here. It's supposed to minimize interference, and it transmits the Wi-Fi signal vertically as well as horizontally for better reception and performance in multi-story homes. It also has all of the nice stuff such as malicious site blocking, infected device detection and blocking. It has a free lifetime subscription to all of these features. It's got parental controls so that you can schedule times and stuff like that. It automatically updates itself. It's of course running on the latest WPA2 encryption protocols, etc, etc, etc. It's a very high-end system, and of course this all comes at a pretty high price tag of around, I think, $300 to $400. Now these are also available in 2 and 1 hub options instead if you have a smaller home. So with all of this said, I want to thank you for watching this overview video of the ASUS Lyra Trio hub, and please feel free to like, subscribe and comment down below if you have any questions, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.